Okay, I just finished installing 30 18-inch frames around this conference room. They are all put on with command strips. And you can see, quickly pop them on, pop them off, 3M command strips. So before I started, I took a microfiber towel and I wiped down the wall with a little alcohol. I sprayed on the towel and wipe off the wall. It's not good to spray it on the wall because it could change the color of the paint. So it's easy to adjust these. Stick it in and I pop them back in. So now I'm going to go around the room and I will make sure all the frames are level. So I'll use my hands. These are good. This one is out a little bit further. I want the frames to be flush. And so this one's out a little bit. And so I'll just adjust this one. I'll stick my little tool in here and I'll barely adjust it. Now it is flush. These two are a little higher than what this one is. So I'll adjust it a teeny bit. This one's a little lower also. And I'll adjust them to their flush. And now I'm done. And I have a great surface to replace prints on for years and years and years. So again, using this little tool that you get from Harbor Freight, less than $1 or $1. It's a 4-pack, but anyways, it's the only one in the pack. So all set. One other thing to mention is when I use the material, I make sure that you recommend using New Life Magnetics ST540 because it's PET and so it's a lot stiffer. If you use a PVC, which a lot of the other manufacturers manufacture, is so flimsy that you can see these recessed holes. You may even see, even though this is adjusted really flush, you still may see some of them. So you want to make sure you do not use a PVC material media. You want to use PET from New Life Magnetics ST540. And no screws, just 3M command strips. If you want to anchor it, the frames come with screws also. You can put some in the bottoms or a couple just to make sure that they never come down. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks. I just did 30 frames and it took me about 15 minutes to lay it out and probably 20 minutes to apply them all to the wall. So that's pretty good speed. Okay, I'm finishing putting the prints on the frames, and what I'd like to do is roll them. I like to fold it over and roll them this way. And when I adjust them, I just slide it down, use my fingers to line it up. I usually leave a little overhang on the top, a little overhang on the bottom. Use my fingers and then roll it across. Such as this. And if I did a good job installing, you should not see any frame edges anywhere in the print. And so there's a finished product, and I happen to be at NASCAR Institute doing NASCAR photos. So looks pretty awesome, and the employees and the staff seem to be really pleased. So hope that your customers are equally as pleased. And here is the finished product going around the room for the 30 frames I installed. Looks pretty good.